Okay, there's a new starter install right there. Got the wires attached, bolts in up there. So I'm getting ready to get out from under this joker, man, and see if it'll crank. All right, here's the old starter that I took off, and that Bendix in there, they won't even spin. It's got a lot of drag going on. And listen, I think the solenoid right here went out, but like I said, anyway, I hit the switch, you can hear the thing run. So now it cranks up. So that was the deal. Replace your starter.